Hello Connexit family, welcome to Connexit training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to integrate Akumba Mail inside Connexit. Akumba Mail is an email automation tool. So for this demo I'm going to take an use case. So whenever there is a new order created inside that is Stripe, so I'm going to take that as my trigger, and then I will use save the details inside Akumba Mail. So before we build a workflow, make sure you authorize the apps. To authorize Akumba Mail, so just click on the app and click on add account. So this will going to ask us for an API token, so which you will get once you log into Akumba Mail. So make sure you go to their website and click on the API tab here. So this will redirect you to an API documentation where you will find the API auth token. So go to Connexit and press the same and click on yes and continue. This will going to authorize Akumba Mail inside Connexit. So you don't need to authorize Stripe, as Stripe is a webhook enabled app. So let's straight away go ahead and start building our workflow. So now I will start with my trigger, that is Stripe. So I'm gonna do a manual placement of webhook and capture the response, so based on the instructions provided here. So I'll go and choose the event first as new order, copy the webhook URL and go to Stripe, click on developers and go to webhooks, and you can click on add endpoint. So here you can paste the endpoint URL and you can just select the events. So basically I'll just select all accounts, all events, or you can even select based on your events. So I'll just click on add events, so and click on add endpoint. So once it is done, so I'll go to Connexit and click on, make sure you click on capture webhook response. So this will going to enable Connexit to receive data from Stripe. So now I go to Stripe's payment link and make a test purchase, so using my account. So I'll be using this account and make a test purchase and click on pay. So this will going to send a record to Connexit. So now let's go to Connexit. Yes, we received the record. So all the record whatever we received, it is in this particular data tab. So just click on the data and find for your records. So yes, and yes, we received our email address and the name and all the other details. So now let's drag and drop Akumba Mail. So I'll just go and drag and drop Akumba Mail. Akumba Mail is an email automation tool in which Connexit actually supports all these actions. So you can able to choose the number of different accounts and you can choose an action as, so add or subscribe, update subscriber. Basically you can add a new subscriber or you can update a record which is already a subscriber present. So but basically this will look for email ID. If it is not present, it will create a new subscriber. If it is present, it will going to update the record. And you can actually use create subscriber list to create a list inside your Akumba Mail, and you can duplicate the template. And basically delete subscriber is something which is like you can unsubscribe any user using delete subscriber. So now I'm going to choose as add or update subscriber. So this will ask me to choose a subscriber list. So I'm going to choose as Connexit demo, and all the other things are optional. So I'm just going to click true or false, maybe yes. So this will ask me to enter an email, so which I just connect from Stripe, and that's it. So I'm gonna hit so test and review. So just to perform this action, so now I will go to it on test and review. So this will going to create a record inside Akumba Mail inside my list, that is Connexit demo, and this will give me the subscriber ID as well, which I could use for further automation. So now let's go to Akumba Mail and my email list. You can see there is no subscriber. I'm going to refresh my page, so there will be a subscriber create inside this particular list. So let's go ahead and refresh our page. Yes, you can see there is one subscriber, so which is that we just created now. So you can go and click on subscriber. So this will be, there will be my email ID which will be created inside Akumba Mail. So now I will go and name my connect Stripe to Akumba Mail and publish my connect. So let's now make an actual purchase to test the connects, whether whenever there is a new purchase, so whether our connects working fine or not. So now let's go to my payment page again in Stripe. So this is my payment link. So we'll be going again and fill the details with my other email ID. I'm going to use rakesh@connexit.com. Basically choose the same card, try to give other number and name, anyhow I'm not using it. So just click on pay. So I just made a test purchase inside Stripe with rakesh@connexit.com as an email ID. So as per our connect, so whenever there is a new purchase happened, request on Stripe webbook, so this will going to trigger an add or update subscriber inside Akumba Mail, and this is how our connects look like. So now let's go to Akumba Mail and refresh our page. So this will going to create a new subscriber. So you can see this, guys. So there is a new subscriber with rakesh@connexit.com has been added inside Akumba Mail. So hope you guys like this integration. If you have any doubts on this particular integration, do let me know on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.